Hey guys, welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. I know many of you are probably staying home these days, so I thought, why not make a quick video teaching you some phrases, specifically Chengyu. In the past, we've been mostly uploading grammar videos. I know a lot of you guys like that. We're still going to upload them on a regular basis, but we're just trying out new types of content. So if you like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. For those that don't know, Chengyu are idioms that only consists of 4 characters, and it's very common. It's a part of all Chinese speakers' daily vocabulary. So as a learner, it's important to know at least the common ones. All right, the first one, 不可思议，不可思议。Let's break it down. 不可就是不可以 ，cannot be 不可以。思议就是想象或者理解，就是 to think or to imagine or conceive。所以很简单，不可思议就是不可以想象，不可以理解。It's beyond logic, it's inconceivable, it's unimaginable, 无法想象。我们举个例子，对我来说，这件事情是不可思议的。这件事情是不可思议的。This is an inconceivable or unimaginable matter to me. 有的时候我在手机上，在电视上，或是听广播，听 radio， 看到一些新闻，可能是不好的新闻 bad news, things happening around the world，不好的事情，不好的新闻，我会感到不可思议。第二个成语是幸灾乐祸，幸灾乐祸，幸还有乐这两个词就是 rejoice and happy， 乐就是欢乐、快乐，对吧？灾祸就是disaster, calamity or misfortune， 所以幸灾乐祸就是好像你看到别人有不好的事情发生在他们身上，你自己反倒开心，把自己的快乐建立在别人的痛苦上。So taking pleasure or joy in someone else's misfortune. I know there's a German direct translation which is Schadenfreude, but in English I think the closest translation would be gloating. 我们举个例子，快去帮帮他吧，别幸灾乐祸了。快去帮帮他 ，Go help him out， 别幸灾乐祸了。对于同学的缺点和错误，我们不应该幸灾乐祸。同学的缺点the shortcomings and mistakes of our classmates， 我们不应该幸灾乐祸。We shouldn't gloat at them, gloat at their mistakes. 第三个成语，半途而废，半途而废。所以这里半途就是 halfway， 我们知道半就是一半 half， 途的意思就是 path or journey。可能你知道长途，长途就是 long distance， 比如说打长途电话。这里 are 就是 yet， 然后废就是 give up or wasted。所以半途而废的意思就是做到一半就放弃了。So to give up halfway or to leave something unfinished。不要因一点小问题就半途而废。不要因一点小问题就半途而废。Don't give up so fast. Don't give up halfway。Because of a small problem， 小问题 small problem。 小时候我学吉他 guitar， 吉他半途而废，就是我学到一半就放弃了，所以现在弹得不是很好。我学吉他半途而废。好的，第四个成语是乘风破浪，乘风破浪。第一个字乘就是 to ride， 比如说乘车 to ride a car，还有一个意思就是 to take advantage。 风我们知道就是 wind， 破浪，破就是 to break， 浪就是 wave。 So the literal translation would be take advantage or ride the winds and break the waves. So the meaning of this 成语 is to have high ambitions, not to be afraid of hardships, and to move forward. 所以乘风破浪就是不怕困难，拥有一个奋勇前进的精神。我们来看一些例子。在知识的海洋里，只有乘风破浪，努力学习，才能取得好成绩。在知识的海洋里 So this is a metaphor for a sea or ocean of knowledge. Only if you 乘风破浪，努力学习 study hard 才能取得好成绩 Then you can get good grades. 我们也可以说我要乘风破浪，努力学习汉语，才能取得好 HSK 成绩，对吧？ By the way, this was actually the title of a very popular Chinese movie a couple of years ago, starring Deng Chao and Peng Yuyan. So if you can watch it somewhere with subtitles, I recommend it to you. By the way, I actually made a very simple quiz, so click the link in the video description to see if you remember what you learned today. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you can remember these 4 Chengyus and start using them in your daily conversations. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I can make this into a series if you guys really like them. Don't forget to check out our HSK courses at our website. You can preview the first lesson of each course for free. And also follow us on our social media accounts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.